How to fix account exist on this device, a world app. So here you see this is a popular error. When you go to world app and you try to log in, sometimes either on iPhone or Android, world app identifies that you have iCloud backup. So it's good for you that you have iCloud backup, but if you have that backup for some of your previous account, it will show you that you have your account. And I don't know, I didn't have this error, but for some users seems it's either a notification or it's just blocking you from signing into a new account. Why they doing that? Because this is kind of their policies. They don't want to have like literally multiple accounts on one device. And actually you can still manage to do it. You can delete your iCloud backups and so on, I guess. But if you do it, your account, your World App account can be restricted. There is no guarantee, but a lot of users on Reddit write, if you have one device, one iPhone, and you try to sign in, sign out, sign in, sign out to different accounts in World App, then eventually one of your accounts can be restricted, and a lot of features will be restricted, and it can become hard for you to basically you still would be able to withdraw your money, but not claiming new grants, not inviting users, and so on. So, and then it can be quite hard to unrestrict it. So just be careful with that. So if World App already shows you that you already have another account, it's a just notification for you to be careful with that.